it may be your house, it may be bazaar, it everywhere. We request everywhere. Suppose Miss Naima request Miss Anisha, please give me your, please Anisha, please give me your book. It's a request. Request means one ask to give, ask to carry out some order, something. We apply request every day, various purposes. Suppose she requests, stand up please. Miss Mama request Miss Papri, please give me your pen. It's a request. It's a request. Then Papri deliver her pen to Miss Mama. It's okay, take it. Or she may refuse to take her pen, to give her pen, Mama. Sorry, I am sorry. Request. If the answer of the request may be yes or not. The answer of the request may be yes or not. মানে যদি সে যদি অ্যাপ্লাই তোমাকে দিকে এগ্রি হয় তাহলে yes or she may be sorry. It's request. So then today's lesson page number 44. Dear student, page number 44. There are lot of requests here. Number 1. Hello, can I borrow your pencil? Hello, can I borrow your pencil? Anyone asked in the class, hello, can I borrow your pencil? Can I borrow your book? Yes, you can go. Can I borrow your pencil? Can I borrow your rubber? Can I borrow your khata? Etc. It's a request. Request may be from one side. Another person may be apply yes or not. If we yes, sure, of course, sure or of course. But if the request may be negative answer, sorry, then the answer will be sorry. I am sorry. Hello, can I borrow your pencil please? Answer is sure. But the answer is negative, sorry. The answer will be sorry. Here the answer is sure, positive answer. Number 2. Hi, can I have an orange juice please? Answer, of course, I will make you one. Of course. Or sure. Of course or sure, I will make you one. Then number 3. Excuse me. Can I borrow this book please? Can I borrow this book please? The answer, sorry, this book is not for borrowing. The answer is the book is not borrowing. মানে কি এই বইটা ধার দেওয়ার জন্য নয়, it's not borrowing. এই বই ধার জন্য এটা আমার লাগবে, আমি পড়বো। যে কোনো কিছু করে the book is not borrowing. Join your part please. Or excuse me, shut up. Mr. Beosan, I asked Mr. Beosan a request. Excuse me, can you tell me the way of backyard please? Can you tell me the way the backyard please? Maybe no, the answer will sure sir. You will go to the main road and turn front and this is backyard. It is not very distant from here. It's very close to our school. But if Mehsan is unable to inform me the way to the backyard, then you sorry. The answer will be sorry. I don't know this. This is request. Excuse me, can I tell me the can you tell me the way to the Joyner Bar, please? The answer is on Kathari Road, next to the big playground. Next to the big playground. Boga খেলার মাঠটা আছে এটা পরেই Kathari Road. Hello. Next request. Hello. I would like to change my ticket. 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 Can you help me please? Can you help me please? Can you help me please? Well, let me take your ticket first. Let me take your ticket first. This request we apply bus, train, bus, etc. It may be a bus, it may be a train, it may be a bus, please. Yeah, a ticket master has give you some ticket, one ticket, and if you like to ticket, you don't know change it. But if you have to change it, you request the ticket conductor, please. I would like to change my ticket. I would like to change my ticket. The conductor will help you. Yes, I will first take your ticket. Take your ticket, please. Show me your ticket. Please show me your ticket. I would like to take your ticket. But if you are right, then I will take your ticket. If you are right, then I will try to take you change your ticket. But if you are not right, then I will not like to take your ticket. Last request. Hi, can you help me solve this puzzle, please? Hi, can you help me solve this puzzle, please? Puzzle. যেটাকে বাংলা হচ্ছে ধাঁধা। puzzle মানে কি? ধাঁধা। বাংলা হচ্ছে ধাঁধা। puzzle. That means ধাঁধা. It may be a mindable things, a memorable, mindable things. Puzzle means very meritorious and mindful things. This answer, let me give a try. Let me give a try. That means, please give me 1 or 2 minutes time. I will think at first. I will think, then I will answer the question of your puzzle. I will answer the song. I will try to solve this problem. This is a mindful and a mindful game. তোমরা ছোটবেলা অনেকেই ধাঁধা জানো অনেকেই ধাঁধা জানো। যেমন আমরা এক সময় বলতাম, হ্যাঁ, আকাশে চিতা দিয়ে বলতাম যে এক ধাপ সুপারি বলতে পারে কোন ব্যাপারে। উত্তরটা কি? সারা। উত্তরটা কি? It is a puzzle. Puzzle মানে তোমরা এটা একটা ব্রেনের খেলা। ব্রেন দিয়ে উত্তরটা দিতে গেলে একটু ট্রাইয়ের ব্যাপার। বলা মাত্র উত্তর দিতে পারি না আমরা। জানি আমরা জানি না। আচ্ছা, তাহলে এটা হচ্ছে কি? এটা puzzle. This is a puzzle. Hi, can you help me solve this puzzle, please? Puzzle, please. তুমি কি আমার ধাঁধা উত্তর দিতে পারবে? কে উত্তর দিচ্ছে? Let me give a try. চেষ্টা করি, আমি একটু চেষ্টা করে দেখি। Let me give a try. আমাকে মানে চেষ্টা করার জন্য সুযোগ দেওয়া হোক বা আমাকে চেষ্টা করার মতো টাইম দেওয়া হোক। এই টাইমের ভিতরে আমি ট্রাই করবো। সেটা হচ্ছে কি? যে কোনো পাজল। এটা আমি একটু আগে বললাম, আকাশে তারার দিকে তাকিয়ে বললাম নাকি? হ্যাঁ, তো ঠিক আছে। This is a request. Then I will apply you something request. Miss Mama, please stand up. Please, can I borrow your English book, please? Can I borrow your English book, please? If you are agree, if you want to give me your English book, then you sure sir, there it is. Sure sir, there it is. This is request. But if you don't want to give me the book, Your answer will be sorry sir. Sorry sir. It's for me. It's not growing. Miss Rabri, can you grow your can you grow me your pen please? Can you grow me your pen please? Okay. Sure, here it is. Here it is. Sure, here it is. Okay, make a big clap for Papri. Make a big clap for Papri. And Miss Melka, can I have you, next to it? Hi, can I have an orange juice please? আমি এক গ্লাস কমলা শরবত পেতে পারি? Of course, I will make you one. I will make you one. Excuse me, can I borrow this book please? Excuse me, shut up. Please, excuse me, can I borrow you this book please? Then Sumaya is agree to give me the book. She will ask me. Her answer will be sure. Sure sir. Here it is. But if her answer will be negative, then she will tell me sorry sir. Sorry dear sir. It's not grow. It's not for brewing. This book is not for brewing. Request is one thing. Someone wants something from other. This is a request. Someone wants something from other. But the answer of the request will two kinds. Yes or not. Yes or no. Yes or no. If the answer is yes, sure, the answer will be sure. Of course, certainly. Sure, of course, or certainly. Mystery. But the answer will be, if the answer will be negative, the answer will be sorry sir. Sorry. I am unable to give you this or the book. This is not for brewing. The answer two kinds. Yes or not. But request is always someone want to something from other. Someone wants something from other. It may be a book. It may be a pencil. It may be a rubber. It may be a cutter. Anything. The answer. Okay. So today, dear student, please. Today we know a lot of students request from the book page number 44. We have learned a lot of requests from this page, and we know how to make a request, and we know how to make a request. You may also request your family members, your friends, your teacher, and the answer will be two kinds. Yes or not. Yes or not. If the answer is yes, sure, the answer will be sure. Of course, certainly. But if the answer will be negative, you can say sorry, I am unable, or sorry. The answer. This is request. Dear student, can you understand request? You understand request? You understand the request? Have you understand the request? Thank you. Request. Please tell me the answer. What kind of the answer of the request? How many kinds? What kinds of the answer of the request? What kinds? Two kinds. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? If the answer yes, we tell sure. We tell sure. We tell sure. Of course. Certainly. If the answer is sorry, we tell sorry, or I am unable to give you this. I am very sorry. I am unable to give this book, this pen, this book, this pencil, this rubber. Okay. Can you now can you understand the request? Can you understand the request? Request? Can you understand it? Understand? You understand? Yes. Make a big clap. Okay. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.